Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Getting a new iPhone or iPad, or do you just have a whole lot of devices lying around that need charging? Either way, you might want to check out this charger from Anker. So this is the Anker 521 Nano Pro charger. It has dual port charging, so it'll charge two devices at up to 20 watts each, or a single device at 40 watts. So you can charge your iPhone and your iPad at the same time, or perhaps a MacBook Air all by itself. Lots to love here, lots of beautiful colors to match iPhones, iPads, and more. Let's take a closer look. So as I mentioned, the Anker Nano Pro 521 charger has a total capacity of 40 watts. You can charge one device at 40 watts or two devices at 20 watts each. In terms of footprint, it's going to be just a little bit bigger than Apple's 20-watt charger. So if you compare the two side by side, and think about how much space they're going to take up on a power strip, you are going to be just a little bit bulkier with your Anker charger. However, you do have the ability to charge two things as opposed to one thing, so I think that you definitely have some good value there. And if you compare it to Anker's 20-watt Nano Pro charger, which I reviewed last fall, also a really nice charger. This one's considerably taller, but in terms of the width, not a lot bigger there. Both of them are really nice, just depends upon how many devices you have to charge. And if you're anything like me, you've probably got a whole lot of things to charge. So for example, looking at the power strip from my desk, we don't have a lot of space here. Got my Apple MacBook Pro charger, got this 20-watt charger from Apple, and the Anker 20-watt charger. So if I replace the Apple charger with the dual port charger from Anker, as you can see, suddenly I've got twice as many ports and I have only a minimally larger footprint. So I think that overall this is just a really nice device. So for example, you can simultaneously charge your iPhone, and perhaps something like Anker's MagGo power bank. Or perhaps you want to charge your phone using your MagSafe charger instead. No problem there. This is going to work great with your MagSafe charger. And of course, this is going to work great with lower powered things as well, such as AirPods or Apple Watch. So you can do this either wirelessly or wired, obviously, and charge up your AirPods. So one thing to keep in mind with this charger is that this is only going to take the new USB-C cables. You're not going to be able to use this with the old style USB-A cables, the ones that have this plug, because obviously it's not going to fit. Fortunately, the new iPhones all come with USB-C to Lightning cables, so that's going to work great. And your iPad is going to have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and typically Android phones have USB-C to USB-C as well. Just be aware you can't use the old USB-A cables with this. So all in all, I think the Anker 521 Nano Pro is a great choice for people who have multiple devices that charge with USB-C cables, such as iPhones, iPads, AirPods, and the like, and who are looking for a more streamlined and elegant charging experience. It supports fast charging and power delivery and features Anker's Active Shield technology for greater temperature and power protection, and it's also covered by Anker's 18-month warranty. The only downside I've noticed with the Anker 521 Nano Pro is that it does get pretty warm when charging two devices simultaneously. However, I've noticed the same thing with my Apple chargers as well, so I don't really think it's fair to hold that against the Anker 521 Nano Pro. Overall, I think it's a great product. Again, we've been looking at the Anker 521 Nano Pro 2-port charger. This product is available directly from Anker as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $35.99. It comes in 4 colors: Arctic White, Black Ice, Cool Lavender, and Glacier Blue. Many thanks to the kind folks at Anker for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and do consider hitting the subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.